Brian Mudd Show is on News Radio 610 WIOD.
Amazon's college tuition program, it has expanded in Florida. Amazon announced yesterday that under the program, hourly employees who've worked with Amazon for a minimum of 90 days, eligible for free tuition and fees provided that they continue their employment with Amazon. You have 9 colleges that are being offered through the program, including the University of Florida Online, FIU, University of Central Florida, and Miami-Dade College. So that's pretty cool. And speaking about Amazon, as there has been this outpouring of support for Ukraine, we've talked a little bit about how some folks have shifted some cryptocurrency in the direction of Ukrainians. Another way that people have been trying to support, buying stuff that's theoretically Ukrainian made. The question is, how much of it is? You know, it's just like we talked about with the vodka. And you have a lot of virtue signaling kind of stuff, too. Either people that know or don't. You know, all these people are saying, oh, we're banning vodka. No doubt at this point, you got far more American companies with Russian-sounding names that are being hurt by those bans than actual Russian vodka, because it is negligible in the United States. Really hard to find Russian vodka within the United States. But anyway, I digress. But are people able to buy Ukrainian-themed goods, or they're spammers? Stephen Pope, who is an expert on Amazon, here to talk about this. MyAmazonGuy.com, the website. So how about it, Stephen?
Yay, and I just was down in the Tampa Bay, Florida area yesterday, in fact. But yeah, if you go on Amazon today and go to the best sellers for lawn and garden, you're going to see a lot of Ukrainian flags. I mean, we're talking just plastered all over Amazon right now. A lot of people are trying to get their hands on it to show their support, virtue signaling or otherwise. Lots of people are buying them.
Where are those flags made?
I bet they're made in China.
Right. Because, and here's my point, Stephen, and this is my very point. We buy all this Chinese crap. China is funding Russia, which is funding the war against Ukraine. And here, and some people do the virtue signaling unintentionally like that. I have no doubt there are a lot of people that go, yay, let's fly the Ukrainian flag. But if it's made in China, they're literally hurting the Ukrainian people, even if they feel good because they've got, Ukrainian flag here in the States.
I can't disagree with any of that.
And so herein lies, you bring up a good point about, the people going online looking for, this themed merchandise. Is there authentic Ukrainian stuff that can be found?
I think it'd be very difficult to find right now. I mean, even American flags aren't typically made in America, so they're like made in Mexico and China as well. But it's just really interesting to see like the trends that go up, right? Like I work with a lot of Amazon sellers, and over the years we see trends come and go. And there's going to be some business entrepreneur out there that's like, oh, I got to jump on this, and I'm just going to start making these products. This is a fad. This fad is going to come and go. It's probably going to be gone as early as like 1 or 2 weeks from now. And, we've seen, and I don't want to make light of the situation. I don't want to compare it to a lighter situation. But quite frankly, we've seen fads like these come and go with fidget spinners and with other items that are being purchased on Amazon. And so, even when the Netflix show for chess came out, all of a sudden there was a 500% increase in chessboards being purchased, which has some ironic tie-in here since there's a lot of Russian chess players. I actually played in the U.S. Open down in Florida down in 2005. I'm a chess player myself.
Oh, no kidding.
But in any case, I think it's interesting to see the trends and see where people come and go, and they're definitely making a lot of purchases on this. I mean, it's definitely the number one thing being purchased on Amazon.
Interesting. Well, that's a good update. And again, Stephen's site, myamazonguy.com, myamazonguy.com. Stephen, appreciate the perspective. Good talking with you.
All right, we'll see you.